Welcome to the CLT Toolbox. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics and show you how to make the most of our features and calculations. To get started, you can choose between the member and connection design. Create a project by selecting a calculator at the beginning. You can choose between new and existing projects. Access existing projects in the right panel, where all your previous projects are listed. If you don't have a project yet, or you want to start a new one, simply select Create a new project to begin and fill the project information. Now let's navigate through the calculator. Begin by entering your inputs. Each input has a drop-down for additional information and educational content. Click the green dot next to the input for more details. By changing the inputs, all information is automatically displayed on dynamic images. Once you enter your inputs, minimize the input panel to review the computations. All results are sorted into tabs below, and by selecting each of them you can review results in detail. After reviewing, save your project and print the calculation to PDF. Use the indexes to navigate to specific computation you want to see. Next, let's explore the calculations from the project level view. All calculations within the project are visible here. You have an option for inviting your colleagues to collaborate on the project. Once they accept, you'll see them listed in the Project Members tab. Discuss and collaborate on the project with your team. You can assign tasks to your colleagues to streamline your workflow. You can also add a new calculator or group through this page by simply clicking Add Calculator or Add Group button. Select the right calculation and you will be directed shortly. Going back to the project level, you have an option for printing a comprehensive PDF report for the entire project, including all calculations. Finally, you can rearrange them as you prefer. Thank you for using the CLT Toolbox.